Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about my visit to this resort called Shatavari Resort, which is in Kankumbi, which falls on the highway of Goa again. So I'm in Belgaum, so मुझे यहाँ से I think 45 minutes लगे. Even though it was raining heavily, it still took me 45 minutes, which is like I think good to go. A lot of you guys have already seen my stories on Instagram. So you guys messaged me also asking a lot of details about it. I told you guys that my vlog will be coming out on that resort. So sorry for keeping you guys on wait for a very long time. So we decided to go here on my friend's birthday. We actually got to know about this place through my friend's brother, and then we called them up and we tried to inquire about the place. They gave us a lot of details, like अभी तो कोरोना चल रहा है तो बहुत ज़्यादा सेफ्टी के बारे में हमको कंसर्न था. So we asked all the details and they said it was all safe and good. So yeah, we decided to go. Talking about the price of the room, we stayed for 2 days and 1 night. Like हम आज afternoon पहुँच गए थे and next day like morning we not morning like afternoon हम वहाँ से निकल गए थे. तो so it was 6,000 rupees. It was supposed to be 2 people, but we was like 3 people in one room. We paid like extra 2,000 rupees, and then food and everything was amazing. मैं तो अभी नॉनवेज नहीं खा रही, but my friends loved the non-veg food there and I ate all vegetarian food. Even that was good. It was this typical Maratha khana. It was really nice and rooms were really nice. I really loved the rooms actually. Rooms were like पूरा हिल के ऊपर थे and the view from there was amazing. I loved it. And staff was good again. The only problem was that we had to walk a lot, like from restaurant to room से swimming pool जाना है तो हमको बहुत ज़्यादा walk करना पड़ता था. तो I would suggest you guys to carry your shoes. I have tried my best to put out all the details on the video or in the description box, but still if you guys have any doubts then please feel free to reach me out on my Instagram. And yeah guys, have fun watching the video. Hi guys, I'm leaving now to collect the cake. Then I'll go and pick my friends and I'll see you guys in a bit. This is what I got for her and hope she likes it. Last year भी मैंने same उसको दिया था. Okay, let's see. This is 15 more minutes, so I decided to have some breakfast while I wait for the cake. So I'm going to eat graphic veg maybe.
One eternity later. One hour later.
So finally here we are. यहाँ से I think we have to go like अंदर कहाँ पे तो है वो, तो हमको वहाँ से 10 मिनट लगे रिसेप्शन पहुँचते पहुँचते and we had to fill some forms and all, and we did that and they sent some bhaiya with us till the room. So yeah, here he is taking us. Now we are here at the restaurant. We thought खाना खा के रूम जाएंगे, but खाना अभी तक तैयार नहीं है, तो थोड़ा सा हम रेस्टोरेंट वगैरह देख के we are planning to go to the room, फ्रेश होके वापस आने वाले हैं खाना खाने. So this is how the restaurant looks. It's quite nice. And now we are walking towards the room. यहाँ से फिर से I think 5 to 7 minutes का रास्ता होगा. That's what the bhaiya told. Hi guys, we are already here. So let me show you guys the room. This is how it looks from outside. So beautiful. जंगल के बीच में भाई अच्छा तो रहेगा ही. My friends are already inside. Okay. I'll just show you guys how the room looks. Look at it.
How deep can we go?
Hi ladies.
'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all
can't
the
stop.
pressure.
We just reached and we thought हम थोड़ी देर के लिए रेस्ट करेंगे and then we are going to go for lunch. Anyways guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
After walking for like 10 minutes, we are finally here at the pool. हमारा तो cardio ही हो गया literally. I'm not gonna swim because I don't know swimming. My friends might swim, not sure yet. And it's gonna rain, I think. Weather is too good. Look at it. You know, बहुत अच्छा है यार. क्या बताऊँ अब मैं. Hi everybody, and we're going to start a party now. Kya party? It's her birthday, my best friend's birthday today. So yeah, we're going to start a party. And excuse my messy hair. It was raining and we got drenched. So my hair is all messed up, like always. Anyways, I'll see you guys. Bye. Happy birthday, Vinny. Thank you. Well, रात को हमको पता चला कि we can take jeep if we want to go anywhere, and then we are here at the restaurant again having our dinner. Guys, please, this is my request, do not miss this dessert if you go there, because that was one of the best desserts I ever ate.
The next day.
Finally, we're gonna check out this room. I'm gonna miss this room, and most importantly, this beautiful view. Just look at it. So, bye. And girls, say bye.